In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Slack determines if you're online, or what many refer to as being active, and we'll also touch on what you can and cannot do if you want to appear always online. Starting with what you can control, whether you're using Slack on your desktop or mobile device, you do have the option to manually let others know you're active. Simply click or tap on your profile picture, which is typically found at the upper corner of your Slack interface. From there, you'll find the option to set yourself as active. This is a straightforward way of informing your team that you're available for conversation or collaboration. Keeping the Slack app open and in use is another way to ensure you're marked as active. Slack automatically recognizes when you have the app open on your desktop or mobile, and it updates your status accordingly. Be mindful, though, that just having the app open isn't always enough. If you aren't interacting with Slack, such as typing or clicking, it may eventually adjust your status to away based on inactivity. There's a provision for users to update their status by utilizing the Update Your Status field. This feature allows you to communicate specifics about your availability or current activity through a status message, combining text and emoji. However, it's worth noting that this is quite different from the binary active or away status, which is represented by a simple dot next to your name. So, while you might be able to set a fun or professional status message, it won't necessarily override your active or away standing. Now, let's discuss some common misconceptions and what Slack explicitly says you can't reliably do. According to their own developer documentation, there isn't a supported way to force your status to remain active if you're not genuinely using Slack. What this means is, even if you're trying to stay logged in all the time, Slack requires actual interaction, such as typing or moving your mouse on desktop, to maintain an active status. On a desktop, if you step away from your keyboard or mouse and don't interact with Slack, after roughly 10 minutes, you'll find yourself automatically marked as away. For those using mobile devices, there's a similar behavior. If the Slack app is running in the background, or if your device goes into sleep mode, odds are high that you'll switch to away. This is because Slack, much like on a desktop, monitors your active usage of the app. So, if the app is tucked away out of immediate use, or if your phone is not actively being interacted with, your status changes to reflect that. These steps and insights are key for understanding how Slack manages your online presence, ensuring you remain a part of the digital conversation effectively. Remember, while you may wish to remain online constantly, Slack's system prioritizes active engagement to define your availability. This approach ensures only those truly available are indicated as such, limiting misunderstandings and ensuring more precise team communication. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate your Slack status with confidence.